In this video, I will be showing you how to build a blog website with Wix Website Builder. Once on Wix, you can sign up and create an account for completely free. After you have created your account, I want you to tap on Create New Site in the top right hand corner. Once you have done that, you'll be redirected to a new page. On this new page, we're going to tap on Create on Wix Editor. After you have selected Create on Wix Editor, you will be redirected to this page. From here, you are going to tap on Set Up Without AI. The reason why I recommend Set Up Without AI is this will give you more options to customize your website or your blog to your liking. Once on this page, we are going to simply tap on Blog. And by the way, you can get even more specific. You could choose mindfulness blog, entertainment blog. You could zone down the particular type of blog that you would like to create. So let's say, for example, I would like to create a personal blog. Then I'll tap on Continue. After tapping on Continue, you're going to give it a few seconds while your dashboard is being prepared in the background. Once on your dashboard, you're going to tap on Enter the name of your site. And let's say, for example, I were to call this site Jason Test. Then tap on Continue. After doing that, you can choose the goals that you want for your site. For example, is it a case that you'd like to sell products, collect leads, share knowledge, offer services, or so on? You can select whichever one of these options suits you. So I'm going to simply select Share Knowledge and Display Creative Work. Then tap on Continue. After you have done that, you can see some recommended apps based on the features that I had chosen earlier. So you can see blog, Instagram feed. If you'd like to also add forms on which you can collect payments and so on, you can do that. You can also scroll down and you can see different apps that you can also add right here. Once you're finished, you're going to tap on Continue. Then from here, we are going to tap on Start with a Template. After selecting Start with a Template, you'll now be able to choose a theme that you would like to use for your website. And this is one of the major standout features when it comes onto Wix. As with these themes, you'll be able to create a professional looking website in no time. Let's say, for example, I were to select this theme. All I would need to do is tap on Edit. Then from there, I'm going to give it a few seconds while the website is being prepared in the background. Once the website has finished being prepared, I'll be showing you how to edit it and customize it to your liking. First, you could tap in the box right here and you could type in some basic information that you would like to be added to your website. Then you could tap on Generate Site Text and the Wix AI will compose articles or content that can be added to your website. Once you're finished, you're going to tap on the X to close out. Then you can tap on the plus right where you see plus 50%. You're going to tap right there. Then at the moment, this is how our website looks. And when it comes down to Wix, it is quite straightforward to edit it. For example, if you like to edit the header section, all you have to do is hover over it, then tap on Quick Edit. And from there, you can change the background, you can change the search bar, you can also change the text right here. So let's say I were to change the text to Jason Test. You can see right there. And you can change every section just like that. For example, if you like to edit this section again, all you have to do is hover over it, then tap on Quick Edit. From there, if you wanted to change the column background, you could do that. So we could tap on Change right here, and we could change the image. So I could select Image. Then from there, I could choose to either upload an image by tapping on Upload Media, or I could select one of the random images that is provided by Wix, as you can see right here. So let's say, for example, this image, and I'll tap right there, and you can see that the background image has now changed. You can also change this image if you want. You could go back, then you could change the image right there. Once you're finished doing that, if there's anything that you would like to add to your website, you could go over to the top left hand corner, tap on the plus that says add elements. From here, if you'd like to add an image, text, anything at all that you want to add to your Wix website, you will find it in this section right here, in the elements section. And all you have to do is drag and place it on your website. Now to view all pages on your website, you're going to go over to the top left-hand corner and tap on Home. Then from here, you can see the pages. So if I were to tap on my blog, you can see the sample blogs that were added. Then all we'll need to do is tap on Manage Posts. After you have tapped on Manage Posts, you're going to see a pop-up window appear. On this pop-up window, you'll now be able to create your first blog post. So all you'll need to do is tap on Create Post. Once you have done that, you can type in the title of your blog post right here. And then you can tap here and you can start entering content. You can tap on the plus, for example, and you could add an image. You can add video, GIF, anything at all that you like to add right here. You can do that. You can also scroll down. You could embed HTML code and so on. And when it comes on to setting up SEO for your blog, all you'll need to do is go over to the left-hand menu option. From there, you could tap on SEO and you'll see the SEO settings right there. So you'll be able to view how your SEO rankings look at the moment. You can also tap on basics, and from there you'll be able to edit the URL slug. You can add a meta description and so on. Once you're finished, you'll tap on publish to publish your blog post, and that's about it. Another thing that you can also do is by going back, you'll be able to view all of your posts by going over to the left-hand menu option. You can also view comments. You can also create categories and so on. And in the future, if it is a case that you like to collect payments, you can tap on Getting Paid. And then from there, you can tap on Connect and Set Up. And you'll be able to connect your PayPal or other payment options, as you can see right there. Once everything is finished and to your liking, all you'll need to do is tap on Publish and your website will now be live. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe. What I also like with Wix is, before you go, let me tell you that you'll be provided with a free domain name. But in the future, if you'd like to change your domain name, you can do that. So you could tap on Connect Your Domain and you'll be able to add your own custom domain if you want. But at the moment, if you're just starting out, you can use their free domain name for your blog. And that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.